When a beehive becomes crowded, especially in spring nectar flow season, bees start preparing to reproduce. Worker bees build queen cells. The queen lays eggs to produce new queens. Larvae are fed royal jelly. The old queen leaves the hive with a group of bees. This is called a swarm. They search for a new place to live. A new queen stays in the original hive. Swarming is a natural way for bees to multiply, mainly caused by overcrowding and abundant food. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to catch a swarm of bees. You will need a used beehive box, drawn frames, and bee attractant. Start by cleaning and disinfecting the box. Scrape off wax, propolis, dirt, and dead bees. Blow out dust and debris. Use a blowtorch lightly pass the flame over the inside surfaces. Do not burn the wood, just heat it. Next, apply the bee attractant. Apply a bee attractant inside and outside the box to lure a swarm. A swarm usually covers 3 to 4 frames. Fix the frames with nails so they don't move during transport. Secure the lid firmly. Next, choose the right location. Bees usually follow the same swarming path every time. I chose this location because I've seen swarms pass through here. Set the swarm trap on a tree or about 1 meter above the ground. Leave it there. Scout bees will find it and bring the swarm. Reapply the bee attractant every 4 days. Awesome! We've just caught a swarm. In the late evening, close the hive entrance. Now you can transfer the new hive to your bee yard. And this is how you get honey bees for free. Place more traps in different locations to increase your chances of catching swarms. Thanks for watching. Greetings from Tasha. Comment below where you're watching from and tell me how are the bees doing in your region.